Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. This is a new product announcement type video. DeWalt just released a metal workshop storage system consisting of metal tool storage, chests, and cabinets, as well as 25 new workshop accessories, which are all sold separately. The first product category I'm going to tell you about are the tool storage chests and cabinets. Each chest features a DeWalt metal rail mounted inside, as well as a battery rail that organizes up to 4 DeWalt batteries. Each cabinet has 2 metal rails mounted to the outside of the cabinet, as well as 2 power tool holsters. The chest and cabinets are built with a heavy gauge steel and feature full extension, soft close ball bearing drawers. Small drawers have a single set of slides and a max capacity of 100 pounds, while large and deep drawers are fortified with double slides that support up to 150 pounds per drawer. Cabinets feature 6x2-inch casters with a 2,000 pound load rating. Chests include an integrated 15 amp max load power strip with 6 power outlets and 2 USB ports for convenient charging of mobile devices and DeWalt power tools. The drawers are designed with an internal key lock and are lined with anti-slip mats. They're made in the USA, which I love to see, with global materials, and include 37, 41, and 52-inch top chest and rolling cabinet combinations. All units feature a 10-year limited warranty. Next up is the heavy-duty metal rail. As the centerpiece of the complete DeWalt integrated storage system, the durable steel rail can be mounted to the DeWalt metal chest, cabinets, and workbenches, or directly to the walls. With heavy-duty steel construction, this durable rail can support up to 100 pounds per linear foot and works with a wide range of system accessories. The rail includes 2 end cap joiners and provide a finished look and the ability to seamlessly connect multiple rails horizontally. Each accessory features a patented latching system that secures accessories directly to the metal rail. The next set of products include organization for power tools, batteries, and battery chargers. Here's a list. There's a battery rail with a 20-pound max load capacity. I will include the model numbers in the description. It's a lot to talk about. There's a power tool holster with a 10-pound max load capacity, a battery charger rail mount with an 11-pound max capacity, power tool storage shelf with a 100-pound max capacity, a power tool wall cabinet with a 200-pound max load capacity, if metal rail mounted, or 500 pounds if wall mounted. Also, there are various hooks you can hang tools and equipment like hoses, ladders, and outdoor power equipment. The line includes both short and long handled hooks. I'll include all of these details in the description of this video. Last but not least are these accessories. There's a magnetic LED light strip and a magnetic power strip with 6 power outlets and 2 USB ports, a 2-pack of plastic bins, and a 24-inch wire shelf. All components of the DeWalt Metal Workshop storage system are available now where DeWalt products are sold. I'll include shopping links in the description of this video for your convenience. And let me know if you have any questions beyond the things that I talked about in this video. I always like when I have products in hand to demonstrate. So this is just an announcement type video. If I end up getting any of these things, I will do follow-up videos. So make sure if you aren't already a subscriber that you hit that follow button. And also please comment and like this video to push it to a further audience. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can find me there as well. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. And until next time, take care.